Hey there, adventure enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Engineering Corner. I'm Chad, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to know if you bought an authentic SumoSpring. Let's ensure you're getting the real deal and not supporting counterfeit products that harm American jobs and innovation. SuperSprings International is proud to be the leading innovator and only U.S. manufacturer of microcellular urethane suspension products. Our SumoSprings are made in America and shipped from California. Unfortunately, counterfeiters are selling knockoff products without attempting to license our trademarks or patents. This not only impacts our business, but the broader economy. Our company strives to protect American innovation and support U.S. manufacturing jobs. When you buy a counterfeit, you're not only getting a subpar product, but also undermining American jobs and economic growth. Please join us and other quality brands by looking for and buying goods from companies truly committed to American design and production. Let's break down the differences between authentic SumoSprings and a counterfeit. First up, the packaging. An authentic SumoSpring comes with a branded box and branded tape, carefully packed without wasteful materials. Counterfeits, on the other hand, come in unbranded boxes, and the fake SumoSprings are just wrapped in bubble wrap. It's the first red flag. Next, check the thread locker. Authentic SumoSprings use blue thread locker that you'd expect to see. If you've got green, you've got a fake. Also pay attention to the bolt size. Counterfeits often have oversized bolts that may cause bracket failure or other issues. Take a look at the instructions. While counterfeits may have instructions, sometimes even with our logo, the print quality is usually not very good. We've seen versions that are just photocopies. Another indicator would be the warranty information. Authentic SumoSprings always come with warranty information and stickers. Fakes do not. One last telltale sign is the coating. Authentic SumoSprings have a durable, consistent finish that is UV resistant. Counterfeits often have a hard plastic coating that can flake off, leave residue on your hands, and fail over time with normal use. So, how do you avoid these counterfeits? The best way is to only purchase SumoSprings directly from SuperSprings International or from our approved retailers like eTrailer, Toys for Trucks, and Safety Plus. It's the best way to ensure that you're getting genuine product and are covered by our lifetime warranty. Remember, supporting authentic products means supporting American jobs and innovation. The simple fact is, American manufactured products cost more, but you get what you pay for. Our lifetime warranty, dedication to our customers, and exclusive materials and engineering set our brand apart. Your purchase of an American-made product has a sevenfold network effect on jobs here at home. Let's fight against counterfeits and ensure your journeys are safe and smooth with genuine SumoSprings. Thanks for tuning in to the Engineering Corner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and reviews to help you journey better. See you next time.